Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore the most impactful HRIS software features for effective resource planning. As organizations grow, managing human resources efficiently becomes increasingly complex. That's where Human Resource Information Systems, or HRIS, come into play. These platforms streamline HR processes, centralize data, and empower decision-makers to allocate resources wisely. But with so many features available, which ones truly make a difference for resource planning? Let's break down the top-ranked features, understand their impact, and see how they can transform your HR strategy. Let's dive right in and start with the basics. Before we dive into the features, let's clarify what resource planning means in the context of HR. Resource planning involves forecasting, allocating, and managing your workforce to meet organizational goals. It's about having the right people, with the right skills, in the right roles, at the right time. Effective resource planning ensures productivity, reduces costs, and helps organizations adapt to changing business needs. With this foundation, we can better appreciate how HRIS features support these objectives. Now, let's look at the first critical feature. A centralized employee database is the backbone of any HRIS. It stores all employee information in one secure location, making it easy to access, update, and analyze data. This feature eliminates data silos, reduces errors, and ensures that HR professionals have a single source of truth for workforce planning. With accurate and up-to-date records, organizations can make informed decisions about staffing, succession planning, and resource allocation. Let's see why this feature ranks so highly in impact. Workforce analytics and reporting tools are essential for resource planning. These features allow HR teams to analyze trends, monitor key metrics, and generate reports on workforce composition, turnover, and productivity. By leveraging data-driven insights, organizations can identify skill gaps, forecast future needs, and optimize resource allocation. Advanced analytics can even predict attrition or highlight areas for improvement, making this feature a game changer for strategic planning. Automated scheduling tools streamline the process of assigning shifts, managing time-off requests, and ensuring adequate coverage. These tools help HR teams avoid scheduling conflicts, reduce manual errors, and improve employee satisfaction. For resource planning, automated scheduling ensures that the right number of staff are available when needed, aligning workforce supply with business demand. This feature is especially valuable for organizations with complex shift patterns or fluctuating staffing needs. Accurate time and attendance tracking is crucial for effective resource planning. This feature records when employees start and end their shifts, tracks absences, and monitors overtime. With real-time data, HR can identify attendance patterns, address absenteeism, and ensure compliance with labor laws. Reliable time tracking helps organizations optimize staffing levels, control labor costs, and maintain productivity. Let's see how this feature integrates with other HRIS modules. A robust leave management system allows employees to request time off and managers to approve or deny requests efficiently. This feature provides visibility into who is available and when, helping HR teams plan resources around absences. Automated leave tracking reduces administrative burden, prevents scheduling conflicts, and ensures fair policy enforcement. For resource planning, it's vital to anticipate and manage employee absences proactively. Skill and competency management features help organizations track employee qualifications, certifications, and areas of expertise. By maintaining an up-to-date skills inventory, HR can identify gaps, plan targeted training, and match employees to roles that suit their strengths. This is critical for resource planning, as it ensures the organization has the right capabilities to meet current and future demands. Let's see how this feature supports workforce development. Succession planning tools within HRIS help organizations prepare for future leadership needs. These features identify high-potential employees, track career progression, and create development plans. By proactively planning for key role transitions, organizations can minimize disruptions and ensure business continuity. Succession planning is a strategic aspect of resource planning, ensuring that talent pipelines are robust and ready for future challenges. Workforce forecasting tools use historical data and predictive analytics to estimate future staffing needs. By analyzing trends in hiring, turnover, and business growth, HR can anticipate demand and plan accordingly. This feature helps organizations avoid understaffing or overstaffing, optimize labor costs, and align workforce planning with business objectives. Accurate forecasting is a cornerstone of effective resource planning. Budgeting and cost analysis features allow HR to track labor expenses, forecast payroll costs, and manage budgets effectively. These tools provide visibility into how resources are allocated and help identify areas for cost savings. By integrating budgeting with resource planning, organizations can make data-driven decisions that balance workforce needs with financial constraints. This feature is especially important for organizations aiming to maximize ROI on human capital. Integration of recruitment and onboarding modules with resource planning is vital. These features streamline the hiring process, track candidate pipelines, and ensure new hires are onboarded efficiently. By connecting recruitment data with workforce planning, HR can fill gaps quickly and maintain optimal staffing levels. Seamless onboarding also reduces time to productivity and supports employee retention, making this integration a high-impact feature. Performance management features enable organizations to set goals, conduct evaluations, and provide feedback. By tracking employee performance, HR can identify high performers, address underperformance, and align individual goals with organizational objectives. This data is invaluable for resource planning, as it helps allocate talent where it's needed most and supports succession planning efforts. Self-service portals empower employees to update personal information, request time off, and access HR resources independently. This reduces administrative workload for HR and ensures data accuracy. For resource planning, self-service features provide real-time updates on availability, skills, and preferences, enabling more responsive and flexible workforce management. Mobile accessibility ensures that HRIS features are available on smartphones and tablets. This allows managers and employees to access schedules, approve requests, and update information on the go. For resource planning, mobile access increases responsiveness and supports real-time decision-making, especially in dynamic or remote work environments. Compliance management features help organizations adhere to labor laws, industry regulations, and internal policies. These tools automate record-keeping, track certifications, and generate compliance reports. For resource planning, compliance management reduces legal risks and ensures that staffing decisions align with regulatory requirements. Document management features store and organize employee records, contracts, and policy documents securely. This centralization makes it easy to retrieve information for audits, compliance, or resource planning. Efficient document management supports transparency and ensures that HR has the documentation needed for informed decision-making. Integration with payroll systems ensures that time, attendance, and compensation data flow seamlessly between modules. This reduces manual data entry, prevents errors, and ensures that payroll reflects actual resource usage. For resource planning, payroll integration provides accurate labor cost data and supports budget management. Customizable dashboards allow HR professionals to visualize key metrics, monitor trends, and track progress toward goals. These dashboards can be tailored to display the most relevant data for resource planning, such as headcount, turnover rates, or skills distribution. Visual insights make it easier to spot issues and make timely adjustments. Role-based access control ensures that sensitive HR data is only accessible to authorized users. By assigning permissions based on roles, organizations can protect employee privacy and maintain data security. For resource planning, this feature ensures that decision-makers have the information they need without compromising confidentiality. Alerts and notifications keep HR teams and managers informed about important events, such as expiring certifications, upcoming reviews, or staffing shortages. Timely alerts enable proactive resource planning and help prevent issues before they escalate. This feature enhances responsiveness and supports smooth HR operations. Workflow automation streamlines repetitive HR tasks, such as approvals, document routing, and data entry. By automating these processes, HR teams can focus on strategic activities like resource planning. Automation reduces errors, speeds up operations, and ensures consistency across the organization. Custom reporting tools allow HR to generate tailored reports on any aspect of workforce management. Whether it's analyzing overtime, tracking training completion, or monitoring diversity, custom reports provide the flexibility to focus on what matters most for resource planning. This feature supports data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. Organizational chart visualization tools display the company's structure, reporting lines, and team compositions. These visualizations help HR and managers understand workforce distribution, identify gaps, and plan for future needs. For resource planning, .org charts provide a clear overview of how resources are currently allocated. Tracking training and development ensures that employees are continuously learning and growing. HRIS features in this area monitor course completion, certifications, and skill development. For resource planning, this data helps HR align training investments with organizational needs and prepare employees for future roles. Employee engagement tools measure satisfaction, collect feedback, and monitor morale. High engagement correlates with productivity and retention. both of which are vital for resource planning. By understanding employee sentiment, HR can address issues early and foster a positive work environment. Resource allocation tools help HR assign employees to projects, shifts, or teams based on skills, availability, and business needs. These features ensure optimal utilization of talent and prevent overloading or underutilization. For resource planning, allocation tools are indispensable for balancing workloads and maximizing productivity. Integration with project management tools allows HR to align workforce planning with project timelines and deliverables. This ensures that the right people are assigned to the right projects at the right time. For resource planning, project management integration provides visibility into upcoming needs and supports agile responses to changing priorities. Flexible reporting periods allow HR to analyze workforce data over custom timeframes, such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. This flexibility supports trend analysis, seasonal planning, and long-term forecasting. For resource planning, it's important to view data in the context that best fits organizational needs. APIs and third-party integrations enable HRIS to connect with other business systems, such as ERP, payroll, or benefits platforms. This interoperability ensures that data flows seamlessly across the organization, supporting holistic resource planning and reducing manual work. Real-time data updates ensure that HR and managers always have the latest information for decision-making. Whether it's changes in availability, new hires, or updated skills, real-time updates support agile resource planning and quick responses to business needs. Customizable workflows allow organizations to tailor HRIS processes to their unique needs. Whether it's approvals, notifications, or data collection, flexible workflows ensure that resource planning aligns with business practices and adapts to changing requirements. Audit trails record every change made within the HRIS, providing a transparent history of actions. This feature supports compliance, accountability, and security. For resource planning, audit trails ensure that data integrity is maintained and that decisions are based on accurate records. Multi-language support ensures that HRIS can be used by a diverse workforce across different regions. This feature improves accessibility, supports global operations, and ensures that resource planning tools are effective for all employees, regardless of language barriers. An employee directory provides quick access to contact information, roles, and reporting lines. This feature supports collaboration, helps managers find the right people for projects, and streamlines communication. For resource planning, a comprehensive directory is essential for understanding workforce composition. Benefits administration features manage employee benefits, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and wellness programs. By integrating benefits data with resource planning, HR can ensure that compensation packages are competitive and aligned with workforce needs. Custom fields and forms allow HR to collect and track unique data points relevant to their organization. This flexibility supports specialized resource planning, such as tracking certifications, licenses, or project-specific skills. Customization ensures that HRIS adapts to evolving business requirements. Remote work support features help organizations manage distributed teams, track remote attendance, and facilitate virtual collaboration. For resource planning, these tools ensure that remote employees are integrated into workforce strategies and that productivity remains high, regardless of location. Data security and privacy features protect sensitive HR information from unauthorized access and breaches. Encryption, access controls, and regular audits ensure that employee data is safe. For resource planning, data security builds trust and ensures compliance with regulations. A user-friendly interface makes HRIS easy to navigate for both HR professionals and employees. Intuitive design reduces training time, increases adoption, and ensures that resource planning features are used effectively across the organization. Scalability ensures that HRIS can grow with the organization, accommodating more users, data, and features as needed. For resource planning, scalable systems support expansion, mergers, or restructuring without disruption. Cloud-based deployment offers flexibility, remote access, and automatic updates. For resource planning, Cloud HRIS ensures that data is accessible from anywhere, supporting distributed teams and enabling real-time collaboration. Advanced search functionality allows HR to quickly find employee records, skills, or documents. This saves time, improves efficiency, and supports resource planning by making critical information readily available. Custom alerts and reminders help HR stay on top of important deadlines, such as contract renewals, training expirations, or compliance checks. These notifications ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that resource planning remains proactive. To wrap up, The most impactful HRIS features for resource planning include centralized databases, analytics, scheduling, forecasting, and integration capabilities. By prioritizing these features, organizations can optimize workforce allocation, control costs, and adapt to changing business needs. Remember, the best HRIS is one that aligns with your unique goals and processes. Invest in features that drive efficiency, support data-driven decisions, and empower your HR team for success.